Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's pattern is very easy and very beautiful pattern. You can knit this pattern as a hat pattern or a jeans sweater or lady sweater. You can knit this in any project you like. This is only 6 rows repeat pattern. This is only 6 rows repeat pattern after your 8th row. For the first repeat you will need to knit 8 rows and then you will repeat only 6 rows. You are gonna skip your row 1 and row 2 and you will repeat only row 3 to row 8, which is only 6 rows. So this is 6 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 2 plus extra 2 multiples of 4 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, right? So let's begin. I'm gonna cast in 16 stitches here, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12 and 2 edge stitch 14 and 2 edge stitch 16. So 1 2 3 4, 1 repeat, 1 2 3 4, 2 repeats, 1 2 3 4, 3 repeats and then 2 extra stitch, 1 2 and then 2 edge stitch 1 and 2, which is 16 stitch 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 and 16. Now let's start. Row 1 right side, row 1 right side, row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 1 2, purl 2, purl 2, knit 2, 1 and 2. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1 2 and knit 2, 1 2. We have one more repeat. Purl 2, 1 2 and then knit 2, 1 and 2. We have done 3 repeats, 1 2 and 3, and your last 3 stitch 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip. So row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1 2, purl 2. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 2. Again knit 2 and purl 2. Knit 2 and purl 2. And last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1 2, knit 2. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 2. Again purl 2 and knit 2. Purl 2 and knit 2. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, edge stitch slip, row 4 wrong side, knit edge row 2, edge stitch slip and start the repeat. Knit 2, purl 2. That's the repeat, knit 2, purl 2. Again knit 2, purl 2. Knit 2 and purl 2. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl 1. Now row 5 right side, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here, purl 2, and now draw a loop from the third stitch, third hole, 1, 2, 3, third stitch below, 1, 2, 3, right. From here draw a loop, knit 2 and draw another loop, 1, 2, 3, third stitch below. That's the repeat, purl 2, draw a loop, knit 2, draw a loop. Again purl 2, draw a loop, 1, 2 and 3, third stitch below, draw a loop, knit 2 and draw a loop, 1, 2, 3. One more repeat, purl 2, draw a loop, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 and draw a loop. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 6 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here, knit 2 and slip 1, slip this loop, purl 2 and slip 1, slip this loop. That's the repeat, knit 2, slip 1, purl 2, slip 1. Again knit 2, slip 1, purl 2 and slip 1. Again knit 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 2, slip 1. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 7, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here, purl 2. Now these 4 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 stitches we are going to knit through the back loop first and knit through the front loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit through the back loop first and without dropping off these 4 stitches, knit through the front loop, and you're going to wrap around like so. Right, that's the repeat, purl 2 and knit 4 together through the back loop and front loop. Again purl 2, knit 4 together through the back loop first and front loop. Purl 2, knit 4 together through the back loop first and through the front loop. and last 3 stitch purl 2, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8 last row, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here, knit 2, purl 2. That is the repeat, knit 2, purl 2. Again knit 2 and purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat this 6 rows, row 1 2, sorry, you're going to skip your row 1 and row 2. Now start from row 3 to row 8. Repeat these 6 rows, row 3 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.